We know that self-esteem is promoted the more involved teenagers are. So have them being involved in any extracurricular activity, whatever is going to get them excited and connected, will help promote friendships. High school is an extension of middle school in some ways, although some of the groups and the cliques have already been established. So the adjustment's a little easier, but the things that the high schoolers are dealing with are often more intense. So dating becomes more intense. Peer pressure might become more intense, especially in dealing with drugs and alcohol. So you want to hopefully have taught your child what things matter to you, what the values and morals are within your family system, so that they know how to say no. They know how to stand up for themselves. And most importantly, they know how to come to you and ask for help if they need it. So one way to really ensure that your teenagers maintain positive relationships is to encourage them to be involved. We know that self-esteem is promoted the more involved teenagers are. So have them being involved in any extracurricular activity, be it the arts, sports, cooking, whatever is going to get them excited and connected, will help promote friendships. If that means staying in touch with people that aren't in their school, that'll also help them through social media, Skype and internet and instant message, we certainly can do that too. So the more involved your children are, the better.